Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Utsav & Kala, and this is your crafty host Priyanka. Today in the Mickey Mouse video a couple of videos ago, I had shown you how you can print out coloring pages from Google and trace it, transfer it to a canvas and color and do rhinestone painting on it. But then I thought, well, what if you don't have a printer, or what if you don't want to print anything, or XYZ, you don't want to draw anything, you don't want to transfer anything, all that is a hassle. So I was looking at actually first I went to Michael's and I had seen these $5 painting kits where they had pre-printed canvas, and I was like, you know what, that's a good idea. But I did not like any of those paintings. They were only $5 at Michael's and it was a cheap price, but it was very inexpensive. But I thought, well, I don't like any of the designs that they had, and it was not appealing to me. So while I was shopping at Walmart for some groceries, I happened to just walk by through the art section there, and I found this painting that this is smaller than the $5 one at Michael's, but I did find this. It says "Oh Happy Day," and it includes everything. It has a brush, it has colors, it comes with the pre-printed canvas right here, and you can see on the back it has the color, all the colors, the brush, and it also has a palette. So everything is included. You don't even have to go buy paints, you don't have to print anything. It's just that you're limited to what designs they have, which is kind of okay with me. I'm okay, I'm open to anything, and I guess, hey, we all should be open to anything. It's art and it's paint and it's fun. So yeah, so I mean, I was not open. I did not take Michael's painting, but whatever. Let's not go to that far. So let me open the kit and show you everything. This kit, I'm going off camera right now. I don't know why, but this kit was only, I think it was $3.97. This was $2.97. Yeah, it was $2.97, and it comes with everything, which is great because now I don't have to go out and buy paints, and these paints are enough for getting one painting done, so which is okay. It has a brush in it, so hey, I don't have to buy a brush, and it's quite a good brush. It's not really a cheap one. It is okay. I mean, you can still paint it. And on the instructions, when I was reading back here, it says the paint in this kit is transparent. This gives you the freedom to paint over the top of the lines and they will still show through. Follow the color inspiration picture on the package or create your own original piece of art. So if you want, you can go ahead and use this pattern right here and paint it as this is, exactly as this is, or you can do your own artwork. It doesn't matter. And also, one great thing that you did not have when I showed you in the Mickey Mouse was you can paint over the lines. They will still show. Yay! At least we are not dealing with that issue now, because like you can see, this space right here is really small, and definitely, I mean, I can go over the lines too. Something can happen, you never know. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start painting. I'll finish painting this and then show you how it looks, and then we'll go ahead and do the rhinestone on it. So let me go ahead and finish painting and I'll be back. Here I have completed my painting for this cute little canvas, and what I wanted to tell you guys first of all is the quantity of the paint is way too much. I mean, let me open one up. I didn't even use anything from this container itself. Whatever was on here in the cap, that's what I used, and I completed my whole painting for each color with each color. So the quantity they gave for this paints right here is a lot. And also the other thing that I want to mention is that they are a really good quality colors. They are thick and they are really vibrant. They are not liquidy at all, and I mean, even the consistency of the color was just as good as the regular acrylic paints. but I really enjoyed it, and this brush is really good, even though it's half brush, but the hair of the brush did not fray when I painted it, and it's really a good brush. And I mean, you have to think in the context of it's only $3, and you get the paint, the brush, the printed canvas, and even a palette to use. So and also when you remove these paint out, you can use this as your water bowl. I did not use it, but you can use it as a water bowl, and it's really cheap, really inexpensive, and a very good quality compared to the price we are paying for this. So I'm really pleased with how the product has turned out. Now for my rhinestone part, I have decided I'm going to keep it partial paint. I'm not going to rhinestone it everywhere, but I'm going to show you, like, you already know the basics of how I do my diamond painting, but I'm just going to show you a little bit here in the yellow, and I'm just going to keep it partial paint. I'm not like really partial means really partial. I'm not even going to do everywhere that I have painted with the rhinestones. I'm just going to keep it really simple, and just add rhinestones to give it a shine or give it the bling. So here I am using my 3mm rhinestones yellow color right here up in the O, and I'm just using a wax crayon. It's a cheap wax crayon I found at Dollar Tree, and it serves the purpose. And I always like to say that I love the wax crayon because it's lighter in weight, and it might take a minute for me to pick those up, but it's lighter in weight, and I'm really happy that I don't have to carry a heavy object or heavy pen in my hand. So I'm really happy with how this feels in my hand. So I always use these wax crayon for my diamond paintings that I make at home. So I'm going to finish up, but before I let you guys go, I'm also going to use some special rhinestones or gemstones, whatever you want to call. I'm going to use these flower shaped rhinestones, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to place some glue. I'm going to completely ignore the little bit of center here. I'm going to place glue right here in the center, and place this flower right here, and look how pretty it looks. It does not cover it completely, but it gives it a beautiful effect. Also here I have a whole bunch of different shapes. If you can I mean, I know all of them are not straight, but there's a whole bunch of different flower shape gemstones, and these are plastic gemstones. They are not resin, they're plastic, and I found them at Walmart, and it was like a big packet for $9.99, and I used up a lot of it, and this is what I'm left with now. I used up it on a whole lot of projects that I made. I used these, and I have had these for more than 3 years now. So really happy I still have them because I can use on this projects, and I used the special rhinestones or special diamonds for this project. So I'm going to finish up and then come back and show you where I did the rhinestones and where I did not do the rhinestones, and then I can give you some more details how I enjoyed it, or you can give me some input in comments how you liked it, or you have any suggestions for me where I should do diamonds and how I should do the diamonds. So let me know in the comments, and let me finish it up, and then I'll come back and show you how it looks complete. So here is my completed diamond painting. I applied rhinestones, did not apply it all over, just did the center with those special flower rhinestones, and then just did a line of rhinestones around it. And even with the wordings, I did the D, like the yellow, I did completely, and then I just added an alternate of light green and dark green all over. Then for the background, I was wondering should I do complete background or not, but then I just added a pearl and then did added the clear rhinestones around it, and that's what I did like all over and that's how simple I kept. And then I just added a few white clear rhinestones all over, all around the wording. So that is it. Just kept it real simple, nothing much complicated in here. Did not want to do a whole lot of it, just because the painting is of a smaller size and it's not too big. I didn't want to do a whole bunch of it and make it like too much. So but this makes it look pretty. I'm really happy how it turned out. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give me a thumbs up if you did. Do share this video with your friends and family on your social media. Follow me on my social media, and I will have all the links to my social media down in the description below. Don't forget to comment how you like this painting, or what kind of diamond paint, if you want me to do any kind of any particular diamond painting by any particular seller and do a review about it. Just let me know in the comments below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more fun and crafty DIY tutorials. Hit that bell button to stay in the loop for every new video that I come out with. I want to also say thank you so much for all the new subscribers. Welcome to my channel. My old subscribers who have stayed along with me for 2 years and have supported me. I have gone on and off this camera for a very long time, and you guys have stayed true to me and stayed loyal to me. I thank you so much to all my subscribers who have been there from the beginning, and I also want to welcome all my new subscribers who are coming in and supporting me and helping my channel grow. Thank you so much, guys. I'll see you all in the next video. Have a wonderful day. Bye.